I think a lot of people are going to be disappointed to hear that I'm not going to endorse playing Nvidia. Now, obviously, Nvidia is the one chip master that's out there, getting out in front of of AI, and it's been it's been the huge player, it's been the huge winner, no question about it. But I think there's other names out there, like a Broadcom, that are going to be huge winners that haven't really scraped the surface of their business yet. I think you look at a name like Broadcom, and then a name like Marvell International MRVL, which is also another name that integrated circuit. So in at least in the semiconductor space, there are alternatives to Nvidia here. I also think that Microsoft is still going to be a big winner, although they did talk about some weakness in the cloud business in their last earnings report. They're going to be a huge winner, I think, in AI. I do think Google is also, Alphabet is going to be another huge winner as well. So there's a lot of them out there that haven't really they're exposed to some of the AI right now, but I think going forward, I think there's a lot of riches to be had from this.
And what about AMD? I know when their results came out, the results were good, but people are still saying like, oh, they're not doing enough to catch up to Nvidia. It's like Nvidia is like the benchmark.
Right, it's a huge race out there for the business, and I think of AMD. Look, I mean, it's pretty cyclical right now with those businesses. There was one a couple of years ago. Nvidia was a little bit down, and AMD was rising, and now the tables have turned for both those companies. But I think that, by and large, I think AMD is here to stay. They have some good products. I know Dell uses AMD chips. I think that they're going to be a good alternative, especially if if Nvidia runs out of chips, and B, if their costs are just too high that people don't want to spend that kind of money. AMD can come in there and lowball them on the price. And I don't mean talking about what DeepSeek is doing, basically giving it away, but I certainly think that they can come in there and lowball on the price and grab some share of the business down the road.